Siasa kura sorogongo rwa Gusii nigubanya gotogia gitambukiro kia basae baria bono barorekanire gutaburukanirwa ase amang'ana siasa chiogosero nabo igogosirigwa ibirengereri byabo chingaki cyobwaki obochori nigobono abange babo banyarire gotogia chikura chianyara kubachigwa kwa se bunge ya Olekalau na mwana siasa Jimmy Momanyi Peter oyo okorwa oyo mwana siasa korwa ase chinsemo chia Bomachoge nigobono abiro oyo bwango iga gosange kirengereri kia na kubore buna abamenye nabo igo abakichikura kurwa chinsemo oti babusa kung'aineka asogoserwa nabo igo gochora abarayi batabwenereti na kobeka chiavisi
muntu taligo chikoba okoba intimidated abantu mbaligo chikoba bakogoswa n'abantu besanjirwe chikomata in 2027 in how much you have, how much you are going to bribe the people. Abantu bangainire bachire beyond that. Na inde actually in Usiga nararorira a lot of leaders who are overkong no voiceru we call it buffet of ideas. Yani instead of comment at the young ones vachakire ko insight and to prepare abana for violence, the youths. Here when the batige ikiaba learning what the youths, the Gen Z's va all karau they did. Na boy gonga device ya serikali. It is not good signal ekero konyoranga abaskali babere overwhelmed na wananchi. Igabu no go prepare a country to anarchy. Igo abantu mbabwatibwa baboli n'amasikali yali bagatwalire y'abasikali. Egasi y'omusikali no kulenda security. Bono a president yatigere gunsi na ubakulid bakora ensi yaito asekurwa amangana security. 2000 police officers ngayo cha kurusia abasikali kunabo ogotomakere polling station. In fact, abantu bayatuchi mattress. Bakai upaka chisirinda. And money was